to fix Fortnite Connection Lost error. If you're having connection lost error on Fortnite, you want to make sure your internet connection is actually working first. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. And once you have done so, what you can also do is sometimes the connection lost error might be the server's fault itself and not from your side. So what you can do is the only viable option is to wait for the servers to come back again, and by doing so you'll be able to enjoy your Fortnite again. However, if that doesn't solve problem as well, you want to make sure that you're not using any kinds of VPNs or any kinds of DNS services in your Wi-Fi. That also makes your connections feel a bit laggy sometimes. If you turn off any kinds of VPNs and DNS, you'll be able to play your game smoothly again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.